Hey everyone, welcome to the final video of 2024, or first video of 2025, depending on when I get to post this video. I just want to take a moment to personally thank all of you. Your comments, likes, and views this year have meant the world to me. Knowing that so many of you enjoy following whatever I do on this channel really keeps me motivated, even on the tough days. This year has been a big one for the channel. We've hit almost 1,700 subscribers, logged over 7,000 watch hours, and had some amazing moments together. The most watched video this year has been this motivational video. It hit over 60,000 views. Funny because that video idea just one day popped into my mind and a few hours later it was ready to be published. And that turned out as the most watched video this year. It's crazy to think about how far we've come. Makes me think about the time when I was trying to even gain my first 100 subscribers, and that was hard. So I am grateful for each and every one of you to have joined me on this channel. 2024 wasn't just about the numbers. It was about the journey. Most of you might remember when I first started making videos to this channel back in 2023. The videos were mostly about restoring my E30, which was going fine until spring 2024. We made some good progress with the rust repairs, and I highly recommend watching the videos of the restoration. Link to the playlist should pop up on your screen now, but the link is also in description. So what happened on spring 2024? The E36 touring, which, let's be honest, really has been another project for me. This car made me question my life choices, especially after replacing almost everything under the hood. Head gasket, coolant parts, oil filter housing gaskets, twice, starter motor, and ignition switch with the steering column. The list goes on. Oh, and let's not forget that exhaust leak fiasco. I spent days trying to find out what was causing the exhaust leak. Maybe when the seller sent me a message asking if I was able to drive the car home the day I bought it should have been a red flag already. But hey, it's my daily driver. It does not have to be perfect, but it sure keeps me on my toes. I also made some cinematic car videos, which no one watched by the way, but that's okay. It's not like I would have spent my time making those videos anyway. But hey, you can still watch those videos. Link to them in description too. But fortunately, not everything has been such a struggle. Transforming the looks of my Chaser with the body kit was an adventure to say the least. Seeing those wheels finally on the car? Pure bliss. But let's not forget the little detail that almost everything had to be done twice. Because why do it right the first time when you can double the work, the frustration, and the cost? In the end though, standing back and seeing the car now made it all worth it. The car looks good, and I really like it. Of course, it's not perfect, but it does not have to be. It's not ready either, but more of that later in the video. But this year wasn't just about the cars. Well, it's always about the cars, but more importantly, it was also about you, the community on this channel. Some of your comments made my day, especially during those long days working on cars and long nights editing these videos. I want to give a special shout out to this comment here. I just thought it was funny. And of course, I can't forget my biggest sponsor. I can't thank you enough for supporting me year after year, even though I make terrible financial decisions. As you know, I usually don't edit out the mistakes I make filming these videos, and I tend to make a lot of mistakes. But here are a few I managed to collect. Some you might have seen before on this channel, and some are never seen. Enjoy. Now let's talk about 2025. I'm so excited for what's coming next. We've got some big plans ahead, including a manual swap and some drift mods for the Chaser. I want the car to be drift ready by summer 2025. The E30 restoration will continue. Part 8 is in the making. As for the E30, I'm not rushing it. I'm doing it small steps at a time. This build is special and it'll be done at my own pace. And the Volvo 240 engine swap project, well, there is a lot to be done. Let's just say we're getting that car running and moving as soon as possible. Before I wrap this up, I just want to say thank you again. Thank you for being part of this journey, for sharing your thoughts, and for sticking with me through the ups and downs. 2024 has been an incredible year, and I can't wait to see what we create together in 2025. Let me know in the comments what your favorite moments from the channel were, or what you'd like to see next year. Until then, have an amazing new year, and I'll catch you in 2025. Stay safe and keep chasing those dreams.